Today I want to show how to make chocolate syrup in a very healthy way that can be used by the entire family and enjoyed. Hi friends, in case you are new here and are looking for healthy recipes that are delicious as well as visually appealing, then you have come to the right place. I make recipes that do not require any heating, just raw ingredients the way Mother Nature provided. That's how I have been living for over 2.5 years now. For making the chocolate syrup, I added all these ingredients, the list of which I will provide at the end of the video. And I used a high speed blender because high speed blender allows the cashews to be ground in a very smooth way without any hard particles. This is absolutely essential. If you do not have a high speed blender, you can use any other blender that you have at your home, but then you may have to process for a little longer. So I dumped all of these ingredients into the blender and then ran it at low speed initially and then high speed for about a minute. If you are not using a high speed blender, you may have to run it for a little longer. Make sure that there are no hard particles and it is absolutely smooth when you switch off the blender. This is how it should be, very smooth in nature. Now the cocoa that I have used this time is not my regular brand, so it is a bit darker, but otherwise the syrup will come out very nice. I poured all of this into a bottle and stored it in refrigerator. So what is good about this? Firstly, there are no artificial ingredients and chemicals, so it is safe. That is one big thing. Then it has got good amount of healthy fats and proteins. We are not using a large quantity here, but whatever we are using good ingredients. Then we are also using honey here, which when used consistently is proven to improve immunity, and it is absolutely essential for everyone from kids to the very elderly. Cocoa has been studied and confirmed time and again that it improves the mood in a big way, at least for a short duration. Now, since this is so safe to use, please use it liberally wherever you want it, whenever you want it, and whatever quantity you want it. It is absolutely healthy, delicious. We can use the cashew syrup for multiple purposes. You can use it as dressing, just as I have used it for fruit salad here, or you can use it to make milkshakes, or you can make ice creams. There are several purposes by which cashew syrup or the chocolate syrup can be used, and you will find it very delicious. If you want to change the texture, you may slightly increase or decrease the amount of water that we have used. But this is pretty delicious, among the good ones that I have made with raw food. No heating, no frying, nothing. Just a healthy recipe made in a very healthy way and in a jiffy. The whole thing can be made in about 10 to 15 minutes maximum, and you can store it in the refrigerator for multiple days. I assume it will stay for multiple weeks, but then you would probably not want to hold it for that long anyway and will consume it much quicker than that. Here are the ingredients used with the quantities. Friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the notification icon because I make several recipes such as the one that you are seeing now. These are peanut butter cookies. They are so delicious. You'll have to watch my video and make it to believe how tasty these are. Absolutely crunchy, delicious snack item that you wouldn't want to miss. Click on that video link below and go ahead and watch it. Enjoy. Thanks for your time anyway.